post a rental listing on Apartments.com, follow these steps. Create an account. If you haven't already, sign up for an account on Apartments.com. You will need to provide basic information such as your name, email address, and a password. Log in. Once your account is created, log into Apartments.com using your credentials. Post a listing. Navigate to the List a Property or Post a Listing section. This is typically found in the top navigation menu or under a section related to managing your listings. Enter property details. Fill out the listing form with detailed information about your rental property. Include key details such as address, rent price, number of bedrooms and bathrooms, square footage, amenities, pet policies, and lease terms. Upload photos. Upload high-quality photos of the property to showcase its features and appeal to potential renters. Apartments.com allows you to upload multiple photos to enhance your listing. Provide contact information. Enter your contact information so potential renters can reach you directly. Review and publish. Review all the information you have entered for accuracy and completeness. Once satisfied, click on the Publish or Submit button to make your listing live on Apartments.com. Manage your listing. After posting, you can manage and edit your listing as needed, including updating availability or making changes to property details.